Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the selector switch on a Hoover tumble dryer. The selector switch is located behind and is connected to the control knob. Now the switch toggles to the desired program when you rotate the knob, meaning that if your selector switch is faulty, you won't be able to select the desired cycle or program. Another indicator that your selector switch is faulty is if you have a digital display on your Hoover tumble dryer, it may show the error code E04. Thankfully, the selector switch is easily replaced on a tumble dryer. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a socket set with a 7mm head. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Next, we need to remove the top of the tumble dryer. And to do that, you need your socket set to remove the 3 screws that hold it in place. Then you need to remove the control knob using your flat-headed screwdriver. Gently pry it off from the machine. With the control knob removed, you see 2 Phillips head screws. These are holding the selector switch in place. Hold the selector switch from behind the control knob and undo these 2 screws. With the selector switch unscrewed from the tumble dryer, you only have to remove the electrical connection to free completely. When purchasing a new selector switch, it's essential that you know your appliance's model number. This will ensure that you're getting the correct part for your exact machine. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our video here that will give you all the information you need. And you can find new selector switches for your particular tumble dryer in the link in the description below. Once you have your new selector switch, to fit, connect the electrical connection, and then you can put it in the machine, making sure that the screw holes line up, and then refit the 2 Phillips head screws. You can then refit the control knob and the top of the appliance. To get your control knob on successfully, make sure you line the flat side of the interior of the control knob here onto the flat side of the spindle on the selector switch, like so. So there we have it, how to replace the selector switch on a Hoover tumble dryer. Hopefully your machine is back up and running once again. Now, it's always important to make sure you're using your machine safely. Check out our video here, important safety checks for your tumble dryer, to learn more. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, repair guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.